Imagine the life you want and just take steps to get it. That's where we are right now. Okay. No more excuses, no more victim mentality. That doesn't get anywhere. We got to keep it moving.
I like these. They're so pretty. Might even smell good. You're the only one that got shenanigans going on. TV works. They're all TV work. What do you mean your TV?
Your TV don't work.
My TV's fine.
I want to put this back on. Let's see. No, I'm not touching that thing.
Sounds like a dilemma.
Whenever you feel negative or unhappy about anything, you say, wait a minute, I'm responsible. I'm responsible for my life. I'm responsible for what happens. I can't change the past, so I'm not going to spend a second worrying about the past. I'm going to become so busy working on my future and my goals that I don't have time to think about the past.
I'm putting her case stones back because she dropped it and made one stone come out. And then this Chanel the Chanel thing fell. Off. So we're just gonna leave those two out. Okay, so back to what we're doing. My OCD cannot live in this facility. So hopefully we can do some organization in her room today. This case is so dope. It says, I'd rather be drunk. I'm not leaving this with her. She wish. I actually had on the black Chanel case.
No, I already said.
But I don't think I... Before I actually start on organizing that drawer, this is what this drawer is looking like. Which, she said she fixed it, but she didn't.
I did.
Okay, so that one is empty. The cases was in there. Makeup, right?
I organized this.
What's in there? A bunch of arts and crafts and stuff?
No, this is arts and crafts.
Okay, but there's no makeup. A mess, right? A mess. Waterpark garden. Okay, so this is what her drawer is looking like now. It is way more aesthetic. We're gonna see how long this is gonna last. And yeah. I'm cleaning it. I want it to be shiny. So I'm gonna give you an overlook. She has, she did. I'll give you an overview of what is left. She did have tons of makeup, but we just got rid of it because some of it has been since when I was working in retail and was getting tons of crap, and it's old, and she's opened some of it. So we're gonna get rid of that. Most of this stuff is new, rarely been opened. And if it has been, those pieces are like staples. So let me give you guys an overview. So this is what it is giving. This is what she's left with. She has some other stuff up here that we're getting rid of. She has more stuff here that we're getting rid of. So she has a ton of stuff that we're getting rid of. And then we have to get these clean before I put them in the drawer. In fact, I didn't even leave a place for the makeup brushes, but they can go in this middle one. But yeah, I'm going to get rid of all of that, what's up here as well. So she's left with whatever is in here, which I think is super neat and aesthetic. If mine's have to be aesthetic, hers have to be aesthetic, and it has to be clean. No messy mess. I mean, her stuff wasn't a mess. Her stuff was in, they were in containers in these little like acrylic things and drawers, but, and then some in her drawer. But I just want everything to fit in one space so that less stuff is out.
Headache.
She said she got a headache.
I don't think my mom got your slick back. I have a headache too. Looking like I Dream of Jenny.
So pretty.
We have to go find somewhere to sit first.
So that's how we're gonna take.
She said an hour and a half. So I better go jump in the water. Where are we gonna sit at? Over here?
Yeah, you just get on the phone. You can't in an hour. I got a real
Go with me, but he was too scared. No,
You going again? To go get her phone thing. She's, oh my God, that water feel good, Tony.
Yeah.
Y'all go play. Don't go far. Call me when you get to the top.